Hello everyone, welcome to Sayam Yoga. I am Anmol and today in this video we are going to learn 3 yoga asanas for your hairs. So if you're feeling a lot of hair fall these days or the quality of your hair is decreasing due to the pollution or the lifestyle, then this video is for you, and these 3 yoga asanas are going to help you a lot for your hair related issues. We are these days seeing that a lot of people are facing hair issues, and the summers are also here. So because of the summer we sweat a lot, and that also causes, so keep the general hygiene, keep applying your hair oil, do all the hair care thing that you do. But with that, these 3 yoga asanas are going to internally heal you and internally helps the body to help in the hair growth and the quality of your hairs. So when we do talk about these 3 yoga asanas, what actually happens is when you do these 3 asanas, the blood flow through your scalps increases, and that causes a better hair growth. And that's how we're going to deal with this hair related issues. Okay, so the first asana that I'm going to talk about is very simple, very easy, and we are going to achieve it. So let's understand first yoga asana. For this, what you need to do is sit in the knee position. So coming to your knees, you can come into Vajrasana. If you're not able to achieve Vajrasana, you can just stay at your knees. And if you find difficult staying at the knees, you can keep something for your knee support as well. A couch, a bolster, a pillow or anything. Just keep some cushion to give a support to your knee. Once you reach here, inhale and exhale. Slowly bend forward, drop the hand and drop the head down. So the crown of the head has to go down, and you can catch the hands here. If this is easy for you, you can go a little bit more, head closure and catching your heels. Bring the knees together, adjust and move your head totally in. Stay for a few breaths. And gently inhale, come back. All right. So this is the first asana. I told you the substitute. I told you how to reach into the final pose. Stay there for at least 30 seconds and repeat this twice so that you better feel it. Now the second asana that we are going to talk about is the Parvatasana, mounting pose. For this, what you need to do is place your hands on the mat. Now if you are in this tabletop position, from here place the hands on the mat. Tuck your toes. You can go easily one leg and then lift the other leg and gradually come into the mountain pose. Gently drop your head. The important is to drop the head and keep looking at your navel. Keep the shoulders away and let the rush of the blood you can feel towards the head. Stay here for a few breaths. Again, 30 seconds, hold and slowly come back and sit down. All right. I hope this second asana also you're able to achieve. Now the third asana that we are going to talk about is the Sarvang Asana. So now for Sarvang Asana, you might find it a little difficult to reach to the pose. So in my previous video, I have told you a substitute of Sarvang Asana. If you're following regularly, you will know how to do it with the support of the wall. If not, then I'll share the link in the description box. You can check out that video to know the easy way of doing Sarvang Asana. All right, I'll first show you how to do it properly over the mat. So lay down on your back, inhale and exhale. Once you get comfortable laying down on the mat, inhale, lift your both the legs up. Okay, if you're finding it very much difficult, you can just stay here as well. This also increases the flow towards the head, so this is also fine. But if you're comfortable and you want to move into the Sarvangasana, bend the knee, either bend the knee and push your buttocks higher, or just gently keep giving this kick. After 2 or 3, you will reach the support. Gently adjust your shoulders, adjust your hands, and point your toes. Gently come back and release your leg. All right, so you have to follow these three asanas at least for 30 seconds every day for the next 30 days to see a difference, a change in your hair quality. Keep following it. Yoga is more about discipline. The more you do it, the more discipline and consistency you bring in the practice, the more result you're going to see. So I would request to keep that consistency and keep doing it. It has a lot of benefit. Every asana in itself has a lot of benefits. So you're going to not just see the change in your hairs, but in other body parts, other health related issues, and other lot of things. So just get into the journey. And if you want to join a proper regular yoga batch, then the July yoga batch registrations has already started with me. So if you want to join over the Zoom application, the details are in the description box. You can register yourself as the seats are limited. So I would love to see you all of there. You can book it through the link in the description box, fill the registration, Google registration form, and I would love to see you over the class. If you are finding any difficulty filling the form or anything, just drop the comments and I'll get back to you. All right. I hope you like this video and this video really helps you. Thank you so much. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment to my channel. And take very good care of yourself because you are important. Hari Om.